Hello and welcome to HTML for Beginners Day 6. Today you're going to be learning exactly how to format tables in HTML, and even though some people may be telling you it's difficult or confusing, or even if you yourself have tried it before, it's actually really easy once you get the hang of it. So just continue watching the video and I'll show you exactly how to format tables. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got our standard HTML layout in code set up. In your body, I would like you should just open up a new tag called table, and before we forget, we close that out. So we've got our two table tags here, and in between these two tags is where all of our code is going to go. Now in the table, hold on, let me just start off the basics. TR, that's another tag you need to remember, stands for table row. TD stands for not sure, so it doesn't really stand for that. I'm just got no idea, but it actually stands for table column, even though it's not obvious. And that's pretty much everything you need to know. /TD and /TR. Those are the basics of tables. Now let me explain them to you. Let's just remove the table columns for now. Tables are organized in rows. So by opening these two new tags, we've started a new row. And in our row, we assign a column. So if we want only one row in this whole table, we need to just leave the two TRs as one. We mustn't duplicate them. So between the two TRs, we'll open a new column and we'll close that out. And in here we'll write column 1. Sorry, excuse my spelling, I don't really feel like correcting it right now. And then we'll create, in the same row, next to the column that we first created, we'll create another column and name it column 2. Sorry, I seem to make a little error there. Just close that out. So I'm just going to go show you, compared to the actual website, how it looks in a web browser to the code. I'll just go show you that now, so hold on one sec. Okay, so let's just compare the code to what we see here. We've actually added two columns in one row, but it doesn't look like much. It looks like we've just typed that out. If you look closely in between here, you can see that there's a space. The reason why we can't see a table is because we haven't given the table a border, which can be set in the table attributes. Let's go back to Notepad++ and I'll show you how it's done. So, after table, before the end tag sign, you can simply add border, and you can see Notepad++ recognizes it, which means you're going on the right path, and set that to 1. Let's go back and see how that looks like. Okay, so we've got our table. I'm just going to make it a bit more complex and add more columns, more rows, and I'll show you a couple more things. So we can add another row. Just space them out nice and easy so it's organized. And over here, we write second row, column 1. Close that out and open up a new one. Second row, column 2. Close that out and finally close out the table row. So I'm pretty sure you can guess what that looks like. We're running out of time, so I'll just quickly show you how it looks like. Save that quickly, refresh, and there you have it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you learn a bit more about HTML tables, and I hope you return for my following tutorials, and they can be quickly selected if you subscribe to my channel.